Dear students, let's learn about common logarithms today in a very simple way. This is the general form of logarithm. Log of a with the base b is equals to x, which can be written in the form of a equals to b to the power of x. For example, log of 100 with the base 10 is equals to 2. Now, we can write the same as 100 is equals to 10 to the power 2. Let's see with more detail now. Log of 1, 2, 3, 4 with base 10, we have to find the value of this using logbook. Step 1. Write it in the form as a dot b c d e, and a must be a non-zero number. The given number in decimal form is 1234.0. Here decimal point is after fourth digit, but we need it after first digit. For that, we need to move decimal point backward 1, 2 and 3 times. We moved the decimal 3 times backward, so 3 is our characteristics. Step 2. Now make 3 groups from this 4-digit number. First group should have 2 numbers, that is 12 here. Second and third group should have 1 number each, that is 3 and 4 now. Refer your logbook. In row section, look for number 12, and in column section, look for number 3. Thus, we get 0899. Never write this as 899. Always write as it is, that is in 4 digits. Next, in mean difference column, look for 4, and here we get value 14. Add this number with previous 4-digit numbers, which is equals to 0913. Remember to write it in 4 digit. Do not write it as 913. Now 0913 is our mantissa. Thus, the answer for log of 1234 with the base 10 is 3.0913. Let us go for next example. Step 1. In this case, decimal point is after third digit, and in order to bring it in the form of a dot b c d e, we have to move decimal point backward by 2 positions. Hence, our characteristics is 2. Step 2. Now again make 3 groups, and let us refer logbook. The row 12 and column 3 given the values 0899, and row 12 and column 4 in mean difference gives value 14. Adding these numbers, we get 0913, which is mantissa. So, answer for this question is 2.0913. Now, in this case, please note there is a decimal point after 2 place. So, in step 1, we need to move decimal point backward only one time. Hence, characteristics is 1. Now we get 1818 at row 15, column 2, and in mean difference, we get 3 at row 15, column 1. Adding these two numbers, we get 1821 mantissa. Hence, answer is 1.1821. Next example. Here the decimal point is already at after first digit. Hence, we need to move the decimal point. Since we did not move decimal point, the characteristics becomes 0. Grouping the numbers and referring logbook, we get 1821 mantissa. Hence, the answer is 0.1821. Observe this example carefully. First digit is 0, so we cannot follow previous method. To bring it to a dot b c d e form, where a should not be 0, we need to move decimal point in forward direction. Remember, in earlier examples, we had moved decimal point in backward direction. Since in this example, first number is 0 followed by decimal number, we need to move decimal point in forward direction. In step 1, we move decimal point one position forward, and that is our characteristics. Please note that whenever decimal point is moved in forward direction, we need to write characteristics as bar, which is here 1 bar. In step 2, it remains same and we got value 0913. Now, what is bar and how to solve this? Any number which is bar becomes negative number, that is 1 bar becomes -1. Now add -1 with the mantissa. Thus we get minus 0.9087. This is the final answer for this question. Next example. In this case, we need to move decimal point by 2 position in forward direction. Hence, the characteristics is 2 bar, which becomes -2. Now, adding -2 with mantissa is the final answer. In this example, the decimal point is actually at last position. Hence, 1500 is nothing but 1500.0 and rest of the method remains same. Remember, there is no 0 in mean difference, hence no need to get values from mean difference. Now in this case, single digit 2 becomes 2.000. Now the last example. In first step, since the first number is 0, we need to move the decimal point in forward direction and not in backward direction. And also the characteristics is bar. Hence we move decimal point by 4 positions forward and it becomes 4 bar.